Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is the Queen Phoenix. Today I'm going to make this blanket stitch. It's a beautiful stitch made up of single and double crochets, reversible. It's worked extremely quickly and does not take a lot of yarn. So let's get right into this. Grab your hook, grab your yarn or wool, and let's do this. For this pattern, you will need a multiple of 3 in your chain stitches. So, for example, 15, 18, 21, I'm going to make 15 chain for this example. So it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's get right into the stitch. You will work 2 double crochets into the 3rd chain from the hook. So we'll count 1, 2, 3, and you'll put 2 double crochets into the 3rd chain from the hook. You will then skip 2 chain. In your next stitch, you will put the following. All of these in the stitch, please. 1 single crochet and 2 double crochets. 1 single crochet and 2 double crochets. Skip 2 again and repeat the 1 single crochet and the 2 double crochets in the same stitch, and you will continue that until you get to the end of your row. And in your last single crochet, let me do this part with you again. Skip 2, 1, 2, 1 single crochet followed by 2 double crochets in the same chain stitch. When you're at the end, it doesn't matter how many chain you've used. The last 3 chain, you will skip 2 and you will work 1 single crochet in your last chain. And this is how it will look. I'm going to turn it over. Right. For row number 2, chain 2, turn your work. In the very first stitch, which is a single crochet of the previous row, you will work 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Skip the next 2 stitches. 1, 2, and into the 3rd stitch, the single crochet of the previous round. Please work the following: 1 single crochet and 2 double crochets. Again, skip the 2 stitches, the 2 double crochets. In your single crochet, which is the 3rd stitch, make 1 single crochet and 2 double crochets. And you will continue doing that until you get here. So let's do that. 1, 2, and into the 3rd one, which is a single crochet of the previous row. When you get to the end, you will skip the first 2 double crochets or the first 2 stitches, and you're going to single crochet in the top of your starting 2 chain. Remember when we started this, we started with 2 single chain, and you will single crochet in that, and you will repeat row 1 or row 2. Well, you will repeat row 2 until you meet your desired length. So for row 3, it's chain 2, and immediately you make 2 double crochets into your very first stitch. Skip 2 stitches, single crochet in that single crochet from the previous round. Skip 2 stitches, single crochet, and 2 double crochets into that same stitch. Skip the 2 double crochets and single crochet into the single crochet from the previous round, and make 2 double crochets into that stitch as well. When you get to the end, skip the 2 double crochets, and on your very last stitch, single crochet. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please hit like, comment, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, tag me in any of the work you do. Thank you so much for watching. This is the Queen Phoenix out.